PHP, originally known as Personal Homepage, now stands for Hypertext Processor. It's a server-side programming language that embeds HTML, enabling database interaction and dynamic content creation. PHP's simplicity, speed, and versatility have made it a cornerstone of web development. PHP is a scripting language interpreted at runtime, requiring no compilation. It operates server-side, with a PHP interpreter processing the code on a web server and delivering the output as plain HTML to the browser. PHP is open source, meaning it can be downloaded and used at no cost. It supports object-oriented programming, allowing developers to build intricate, reusable web applications. PHP is known for its speed, being 195% faster than Ruby and up to 382% faster than Python. Its syntax is simple to understand and master, making it accessible for beginners and experts alike. PHP is compatible with all popular servers, including Apache and IIS, and major databases like MySQL and SQLite. It works across all operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. PHP frameworks such as Laravel, CodeIgniter, and Symfony offer comprehensive tested libraries. The PHP community is robust, providing numerous guides, FAQs, and regular updates to keep the language at the forefront of web development. This strong community support ensures that PHP remains a reliable and secure choice for developers. While JavaScript is the most widely used client-side language, PHP excels in server-side scripting. JavaScript's popularity has grown with frameworks like Node.js, but PHP remains easier to learn and maintain, reducing development costs. Python, known for its simplicity and adaptability, is popular in data science and AI, but lacks PHP's level of support and database connectivity. Ruby, used in the Ruby on Rails framework, offers beautiful syntax and performance, but is more challenging to learn and has less community support compared to PHP. Several frameworks streamline PHP development. Laravel, an open-source framework, follows the Model View Controller (MVC) pattern and offers modular packaging and relational database access. Symfony, similar to Laravel, includes reusable PHP modules and components but is more challenging to use. CodeIgniter is a lightweight framework that ensures quicker load times and supports both MVC and non-MVC design patterns. Zend, known for its support and popularity, encourages the development of Web 2.0 applications. These frameworks enhance PHP's capabilities, making it a powerful tool for web development. PHP powers some of the most popular websites and applications. Facebook uses a PHP version called Hip Hop Virtual Machine, HHVM, which has influenced PHP updates. Wikipedia, the most active website for updates, relies on PHP for its dynamic content. MailChimp, with over 12 million users, and Yahoo's news portal and search engine also utilize PHP. These examples demonstrate PHP's ability to scale and support high-traffic websites, proving its reliability and effectiveness in real-world scenarios. PHP's enduring popularity and robust features make it a vital tool for web development. Its ease of use, versatility, and strong community support ensure that PHP will continue to be a preferred choice for developers worldwide.